What if you could travel through time and see how our planet has changed? Imagine standing on Earth in the 1450s, surrounded by untouched nature, then jumping into the future where our world faces big challenges. What if the biggest changes are still coming? Stay with us as we travel from 1450 to 2050 to learn about the past, present, and future of our amazing planet. Close your eyes and picture Earth in 1450. A time when the world feels huge and full of unknowns. Empires are growing, but they cover only small parts of the planet. Most of the world is still a mystery, filled with wild forests and oceans teeming with life. This is a time before factories and big cities. People live close to nature, following the seasons and the sun. But even in this simple life, big changes are coming. The printing press is invented, and suddenly ideas are spreading faster than ever. The Renaissance, a time of new thinking in art and science, begins. Explorers start sailing across the oceans, and the world starts feeling smaller and more connected. But as we explore, we begin to change the Earth. What will these first steps into the unknown mean for our planet? Now, let's move ahead 300 years to 1750. The Industrial Revolution is happening, and the world is changing faster than ever before. Steam engines power factories, and cities grow quickly. Life is no longer just about living with nature. Now we are changing the land to fit our needs. But this fast growth comes at a cost. Forests that once seemed endless are cut down to build cities and fuel factories. Rivers that were clear become polluted. The air fills with smoke. For the first time, we can see how much we are changing the planet. The Earth, once a wild place, is being reshaped by us. But are we ready for the price we're paying? Now let's jump to 1950. The world has entered the atomic age. After 2 world wars, the world is rebuilding quickly. New technologies are everywhere. Nuclear power promises endless energy. The first computers are being built, and we are starting to explore space. Cities grow bigger, and cars are everywhere, making the world feel more connected than ever. But as we move forward, we start to see problems. The environment, which we took for granted, is starting to show signs of damage. Pollution is everywhere, and animals are disappearing. In 1962, a book called Silent Spring warns us about the harm we're doing to nature. People start to care more about the environment, but is it too late to stop the damage? Can we find a way to balance our needs with the health of the planet? Now, let's look at 2024. The climate crisis is no longer something that might happen. It's happening right now. We see it all around us. Wildfires burn huge areas, floods destroy cities, and extreme weather is becoming normal. The planet is trying to tell us something, and we can't ignore it. But there is still hope. New ideas are coming faster than ever. Renewable energy like solar and wind power is growing quickly. Cities are being redesigned to be more green and sustainable. New technologies are being created to help protect and heal our planet. But the big question is, are we moving fast enough? The choices we make today will shape the world of 2050. We stand at a crossroads. One path could lead us to a future where we use technology to create a sustainable world. Imagine cities turned into green, clean places powered by renewable energy, surrounded by nature, where people and nature live together in harmony. In this future, we have finally learned that we need a healthy planet to survive. We've fixed the balance, but the other path is darker. Imagine a world where the climate crisis gets worse. Resources like food and water become hard to find, leading to fights over what's left. Entire areas become too hot, too dry, or too flooded to live in. In this world, Earth is tested like never before, and humans struggle to survive. The story of Earth from 1450 to 2050 isn't just about change, it's about choices. Every choice we make has effects that last. We've seen the power of human creativity, how much we can build and create, but we've also seen the damage we can do. The future isn't decided yet. It's something we're shaping every day. As we look to 2050, we have to ask, what kind of world do we want to leave behind? Will we step up and choose to live in a way that protects the planet? Or will we keep taking from it until there's nothing left? The power to decide is in our hands, and the time to act is now. This planet is our only home, and it's up to us to take care of it. Let's make sure Earth stays a place where future generations can not only survive but thrive. The future of Earth is a story we're all writing together. What will your chapter be?